Okay, tell me why studying in 2025 still feels like playing desktop Tetris. I've got one PDF here, another PDF hiding behind it, a research article buried somewhere in my browser, and of course my Study With Me YouTube video because apparently I can't concentrate without someone silently reading next to me. This is the moment I realize I only have one screen, and suddenly my study session turns into a scavenger hunt I never signed up for. If you're a student, a researcher, or just someone trying to get things done, you know this pain. The tabs, the clutter, the endless shuffling of windows just to read one paragraph. But what if I told you there is a way to escape this digital chaos? A setup that actually makes multitasking easy and studying way more comfortable. Stick around because I'm about to show you the solution that changed everything for me. Hey everyone, I'm P from doc.online.progress and welcome back to the channel. And as promised, today I'm finally revealing the product that has completely changed my study game lately. This right here is the SCM6 dual screen by Blackview. It's a laptop screen extender that instantly gives you more space to work freely, no more window juggling, no more clutter stress, no more fighting with a single tiny screen while studying. If you're a student or a professional who is constantly multitasking, this thing is a lifesaver. So let's jump into the review and I'll show you exactly how it transforms your workflow. At just 600 grams and only 4.5mm thin, this screen is built for life on the go. Super light, ultra slim, so you can grab it and take it anywhere. The screen is 14 inches with a 69 aspect ratio for a wide, comfortable viewing experience. It features a bright display and convenient Type-C connectivity for modern devices. With an Energy Class A rating, it delivers efficient performance with lower power consumption. The package is really well made and everything inside is thoughtfully organized for a clean unboxing experience. You get protective leather-like sleeves, easy instructions on how to set up the screen with your laptop, and the beautiful olive green leather bag to keep it protected, and honestly, the quality of that bag surprised me. You'll also find all the necessary USB cables and a detailed instruction book in multiple languages. The screen connects perfectly with Mac, Android and Windows devices, making it super versatile no matter what you use. Its main purpose is to boost the productivity, giving you valuable extra space to work, multitask or study more comfortably. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, that bit of extra room elevates your workflow. The dual-screen Blackview SCm6 blends a sleek, modern look with generally useful functionality. Its clean lines and minimalistic design give it a polished, professional vibe that fits perfectly in both home and office setups. On the practical side, the SCM6 really steps up your workflow. The second screen attaches securely and fits almost any laptop thanks to its opening angle that adapts to different positions. It's super easy to use, fast to set up, and stays stable while you work. And despite everything it offers, it's still impressively lightweight, making it a great portable dual-screen option for anyone who wants to stay productive on the go. Setting up the screen on your laptop is incredibly easy. Thanks to its expandable feature, it adjusts to fit perfectly and stays stable on any laptop size. Simply attach it, connect the USB cable between the screen and your computer, and it instantly recognizes the display. No complicated setup needed. Within seconds, your second screen is ready to use. The screen delivers excellent display quality with sharp colors and clear visuals. Its eye comfort design includes a blue light reduction feature, making it easier on your eyes during extended use. This makes it ideal for long hours of work or study, keeping you comfortable and focused. Remember that you can easily adjust the screen resolution from your laptop settings and use the second screen just like your main display, dragging and opening files without any limitations. Whether it's YouTube, images, or any file supported by your operating system, everything works perfectly on the additional screen. Plus, the adjustable support rod rotates 90 degrees clockwise, letting you position the screen in the most comfortable angle for your workflow. So the Blackview SCm6 dual screen is a sleek, ultra-slim and lightweight portable display that instantly boosts your productivity. It's a budget-friendly upgrade to your daily tech setup and user-friendly, requiring no technical expertise to set up or use. It connects effortlessly not only to laptops but also to smartphones, tablets and desktops, giving you extra workspace for multitasking, studying or creative work. Thanks to its compact design, it slips effortlessly in your bag, making it perfect for work on the go. If you want to know more details about the SCM6 or explore other great products from Blackview, you can visit their official website where you'll find all the information you might need. If you're unsure about the quality or usefulness of this screen, I can assure you it will completely transform your daily workflow. Whether you are working, starting or editing videos, having a portable second display makes everything easier and more efficient. The SCM6 also makes a fantastic gift for any occasion, not just for students or professionals, but for anyone who wants a larger, more versatile display. And if you haven't heard of Blackview before, this review is the perfect introduction. They are a well-known company offering high-quality, budget-friendly products that are accessible to everyone. You'll also find all the info in the description box below, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. At this point, a huge thank you to Blackview for giving me the chance to review this amazing product. It has truly made my study session so much easier. Until next time, bye!